Well, it's been the past 30 years. I think we've learned a lot. No, so I think from coming from the leadership, especially from my parents and the existing pioneers of Enchanted Kingdom, it's really the knowledge transfer. It's really the information and education for the next generation. So kung ano man yung natutunan nila from previous years, we were able to they were able to share it with us. And I think all this planning and strategizing. Imagine building a ride.
I know.
Right? So building a ride is not just like that, 'di ba? Napaka-importante na may plano, alam mo yung area, alam mo yung capacity, alam mo yung target market. So
Yes.
when we look at things like that, especially for major infrastructures, we make sure that it is the right location, the right ride, but most importantly, it's magical, fun, and safe for Filipinos. So that type of planning, that analysis, I think has been passed on to generations. Pero sa akin naman siguro, it's really adding the value, more entertainment experiences. So the 30th anniversary for October 18 and 19, we've been planning it for almost a year. I've been part of the anniversary committee for the past 3 years, since 27 or 28. So we always want to one up, no? Ano yung ginawa namin in 27, ano ginawa namin 28, and the previous years, we want to make it more special. But I think one thing is for certain, this is more, I would say, important. It's more essential. It's the 30th anniversary. It's a milestone for any company or any organization, whether local or international. And for Enchanted Kingdom to go through that and sustain the magic for the past 30 years, I think that's already an achievement in itself.
Yes.
So one thing that we definitely want to do is to really celebrate with the Filipino people. That it's not just us celebrating, but for those who really want to have a different experience, whether through Agala the Experience Sari Buhay, reopening the space shuttle, the concerts, the artists, the fireworks that we have, etc., etc. Lahat sila kasama doon. So it's really involving and including all of the loyal park guests and the next generation of guests. So they'll be able to really enjoy not just the existing 30 years of EK, but also the next 30 years.
And speaking